To turn on extreme charging on the Pixel 11 Pro, first of all, you will have to turn on your speaker to the charging, and also keep in mind that you have to get below 50% of the battery because above it's not gonna work. Now you will have to open the quick settings like this, and you have to search for this icon. If not available, it means that you will have to go over here and search for this extreme charging. So as you can see, for me it is here, but I'm gonna just simply remove this just to show you where it was located. It was here, you have to tap on it, and then you will have to just go back. Oh, let me just do this one more time. There we go. Now I'm going back, and as you can see, it is here. But it's actually grayed out because I didn't connect the maximum charging speed charger. So we have to connect here the 30 watts charger with PPS Power Delivery 3.0, and then you will be able to use it.